everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will I'm bringing one of the most interesting question which have been asked in a recent time. So this is a guesstimate question which I will just trying to solve. So we will give I will give you some of the example like how would you approach this problem. So first of all, I will want to say you that I'm making a video after a gap of 7 days because I was busy with some of my official work, so couldn't record the video. So definitely now I will bring the videos on like somewhere around 2 to 3 in a week, and on the basis of that, you can also watch my channel and subscribe also, and you can also watch like the full video, right? So coming back to our topic, this video will basically all about the guesstimate question. So if I want to give you the brief what the guesstimate question does, so guesstimate questions are it does not have a right or wrong answer. It definitely give you the approach. Like how would you start your approach? If I say how many coffee vendor machines are there in each household, right? So you will break the problem step one, step two, like you will go dig by dig, right? So that is how you approach to a guesstimate question, right? So I've just taken one of the example, like you need to estimate the number of daily active users for a fitness tracking app, right? So it is not that this question will only ask. It is the logic and the science behind each guesstimated would remain same, right? So if I say like first we can try to solve this question, then I will tell you like how many guesstimated types if you are going for any kind of product based company. Guesstimated are the future. They will definitely ask in each round somewhere. If you are going for a high product based company, they will start from the first technical round itself. But if you are going for a medium product based company, they will ask you for the separate second or third round, right? So the idea is first of all, this is a question which I will try to solve. Estimate number of daily active users for a fitness tracking app. So it is staying in India, right? So we would try to solve it first. The first thing is we want to check the what is the total population. So let me 1 second. So what the total population of India? Say about I we have a total population is 1.8 billion. So I'm just taking a random number. You can just try to check. Out of the total population, how many are male and how many are female, right? So say about in a 1.8, 30% are male and 70% are female, right? So you can say that 1.8 billion of 30% will close to around uh, 1, so it is 0.3, and rest would be 1.5. I'm just taking giving the example, don't believe on the numbers, right? So out of the 30 and 70, now they would check like you can go one step uh, di- digger now. Like once you have a total population, like it is somewhere like if I want to give you example, it is somewhere like funnel chart. What is the total count out of the total? How many are male and how many female? Then out of female, what are the age group, right? So out of male and female, we need to calculate the age group, like how many 18 to 24 of age and how many are 24 to 30 years of age, right? So if I say 30 million is we have this, and remaining we have 1.2 is somewhere, right? In a 24 to 30, right? So now we want to calculate how many is this group is owning the smartphone. So which smartphone they are owing, which is which they are installing the app, right? So smartphones are there because each user does not have a smartphone, right? So we need to give the ratio on that also. Now you can take the problem, you can break down to a smartphone level as well, right? So say about 50% of the user have a smartphone, 50% of the user does not have a smartphone, right? So now this 50% you will break to a other uh, bifurcation, right? So if I say how many of 50% have installed the app, install any fitness app, right? So there are few fitness app like HRX, or maybe then we have MyFitnessPal. So that is a very important app, and which is a most important app. So, right. So out of, you will check that how many have installed the app, right? And then you will check what is the watch time of each app. Watch time means like how many they are spending on the app, right? Because we want to find the number of daily active users who are keep on using the app, and you are the